Good morning. My name is Karim Dadkar. The company our group is going to talk about is Qantas Airways. Qantas Airline is regarded as Australia's largest international domestic airline. It was founded in November 1920. It recently celebrated its 100th anniversary. Qantas Airline is also one of the largest airlines in the world and also the third oldest airline in the world. Richard Goyada is the chairman and Ellen Jose is the CEO of Qantas Airline. The company's share price is also listed at AXS at a price value of $4.72. So Australian aviation business. Australian business and tourism has a good support from the aviation industry recently. In aviation industry is divided into different segments from domestic commercial aviation, international commercial aviation, general aviation, air freight aviation, aviation support infrastructure. In 2018, aviation industry hold 1% of the GDP and a workforce of 90,000. One of the largest players in the industries in Australia of aviation is Qantas Airways and Virgin Airline. Moreover, my friends will discuss with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Karim. My name is Ankit Bhatrai and my student ID is ABNN3229. Today I'm going to talk about the core business activities of Qantas. As Qantas is subjected towards the service providing organization, one of the crucial business activities of Qantas is to transfer the passengers from one place to another place. Qantas runs domestic and international flights. Qantas offers different kinds of services on its international flight as well as in domestic flights. Some of it are economic, premium economic, business class and first class. Customer can buy Qantas Airlines tickets through Qantas websites, as well as Qantas provides the different kinds of promotional offers and discount offers so that customers can get maximum benefits from the Qantas Airlines. Heading towards the next slide. Qantas provides the ground financial services with Jetstar. Qantas has recently launched its Jet Pilot Academic in Queensland. Qantas has also made a significant economic and social contribution. Qantas has helped in tourism and economical development of the state. Thank you. Now I would like to call my friend Taran Preet to start with her slides.
Hello, my name is Taranpreet Kaur and here I am going to talk about Qantas Group role in industry. Qantas Group is committed to conduct the business with high standards of ethics and integrity and to comply with all applicable laws and regulations. Qantas is regarded as the first airline to introduce an integrated safety management system in 1990s for the safety of customers and people. Qantas has built a reputation in safety, maintenance and customer service. Qantas has also taken sustainability initiative for waste reduction. It launched products to protect rainforest and power renewable energy. During the pandemic, Qantas operated 100 international flights to bring Australians back to home. The Australian tourism gets strong support because of the network of Qantas. The competitive advantages of the Qantas Group is the company has able to survive adverse trading condition due to the pandemic. The Qantas loyalty program has developed in growing in the small business travel market. As international tourism was off for almost an year, the domestic market helped the company in maintaining liquidity. The company has been able to match up with the customer expectations and thus maintained a loyal customer base successfully. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. This is Nishim Ranjit, GB8001. Today, I'm talking about the ratio analysis and the conclusion for the presentation we have made on Qantas Group. We have computed the current ratio of Qantas in our presentation. The current ratio shows the ability of the company to meet short-term financing needs. It is computed as current assets, current liabilities, The liquidity position of the company has improved since 2019, and it indicates a sound and liquidity position. So the current assets for 2020 was 4,952, and liabilities was 8,304. And so 2019 it was 4,188, and liabilities was $9,018. So now the interest coverage ratio, it is the number of the times a company make payment of interest on its debt from current earnings. An interest coverage ratio should ideally be between 1.5 to 3 times. It shows the risk of bankruptcy the company is subject to. The ratio of coins is above the standard but deteriorated slightly current year due to downfall of income. Okay, and in the conclusion, Qantas Group has maintained the capabilities since 100 years of its operation to be a leader in Australian aviation industry. The company has maintained competitive advantage through being a customer centric. The decision making of the company is data driven. And the ratio analysis of the company suggests that the company is able to maintain required level of liquidity and profitability to prevent itself from the bankruptcy. Thank you.